Hello guys, there was no video for quite a long time and I decided that that's a nice time to come back. There is one watch which I want to show you today. It is a vintage timepiece born in Germany in 1970s. It is a nicely preserved Glashutte Spezimatic. The first time I have a video about the watch shaped in square. On the first glance it may be strange to you, but there is some charm in it. The case diameter without the crown is 34.7mm. With crown it is 37.5mm. The height is 37.7mm. Thickness is 11.2mm. The case back is made of stainless steel and the case is nickel plated, I suppose. As you can see, the dial is purely white with a rectangular hour indices. They are only used as a decoration, there is no lume applied on them. Date calendar window is featured at 3 o'clock. The date changes between 9:20 and 12 o'clock. The watch runs on automatic movement Glashutte 75. It makes 18,000 beats per hour or 5 beats per second. Power reserve is 37 hours. The watch can be winded up both automatically and manually. The movement runs on 26 artificial rubies. There are only 2 positions for the crown. By default, the watch runs in the first position where the watch can be winded up manually, and the second one is reached by pulling out the crown. Here you can adjust time. There is no quick date set function, it has to be done manually. These movements were in production between 1964 and 1980. Relatively big balance wheel and low profile are allowed to be used because the minute wheel is driven indirectly. The watch looks unusual on the wrist if you have never worn square-shaped watches, but it becomes normal in a couple of days of use. It is such an interest to hold an old watch with a bit of a history and a timepiece which differs from the modern standards. Holding it in your arm thinking, oh, in 70s Germans were manufacturing watches like this. That is why I like vintage horology. Okay guys, that's all I have to say for now. Please press like and subscribe button if you found this video useful for you, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.